Selamat datang, everybody. Welcome to my Pisang Susu outside kitchen. Yeah, it's so hot today, so we need something else. We need a spicy sambal that helps when it's hot. So let's make Sambal Matah from Bali. For this raw sambal matah from Bali, some spring onions, some lemongrass, fresh, jeruk, a lime, a clove of garlic. Of course, your favorite peppers can be any kind. And kaffir lime leaves, jeruk purut leaves, a lot please because that's so lovely. And trassi, fermented shrimp paste. You have to chop everything really finely because it's a real raw sambal. So we're not gonna fry it. We're not gonna make it tender in any other way than just to cut it fine. So I have here my lemongrass and my chilies. Go away! It's oh my god! It's a bee. Go away! And my fresh jeruk purut. Now the simple part. We're just gonna add and then mix it. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of spring onion, your chopped and maybe cleaned chilies. You can take out the inside of a chili where the seeds are attached. You de-seed them and then they're less spicy. Balinese food is really spicy, but it's really nice to, well, make it your own, I will say. And here is some trassi. And I'm gonna add the rest, and now it's well mixed. And I've seen in Bali that they're not gonna rub this sambal matah, but maybe they're gonna squeeze it a bit. They're gonna mash it up with their hands. I love this part. Look, it's real jungle food, don't you think? You just mash it up a bit, then the flavors, they connect and they mix well together. It's this simple. And of course we need to taste it soon, because does it need a little bit of extra salt? Maybe, maybe not. The trassi is really salty, so be careful with too much salt. Give it some lovely sourness with this lime. And I'm using, well, quite a lot of lime juice. It's good, it makes your sambal look fresh and bright. And now the finishing touch, we've got here really hot oil. I'm just gonna pour it over. Careful. And this makes it, well, it cooks it a bit and it will blend the flavors. And maybe it needs a little bit of salt, but you know the trassi is pretty salty, so you always have to taste at the end. And then it's perfect. This is Sambal Matah from Bali. Selamat makan. And have a nice summer!